Here I have LG K22, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, advanced, reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data, factory reset. Then tap delete all data, and then tap delete all data one more time to confirm whole operation, and after that your device will be restarted within a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.